Alright, I got a mailbag, but I don't have any desk space, so I'm just going to turn that off and see if I can find somewhere to put this stuff out of the way. Got 1, 2, 3, whoops, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Alright, let's just pile these up over here and start. Let's see what we got. I got a battery holder case. These are AA. Looks like I got 2 AA, 2 dual AA. I think they're in series. Yes. Battery holders. Power amplifier module. This looks like a little audio amplifier. Yep. It's got inputs. Ground in VCC. I guess this is an LM something. Little audio module, amplifier module. M3 screw spring. Not really sure what this is. I have no idea what this is or why I bought it. I'm gonna guess maybe some kind of bed leveling for my 3D printer or clamping mechanism. That's a really strong spring. Maybe I was gonna make like some kind of clamp or vise. I don't know. Maybe it'll come to me. Crafts. Alright, these are more clamps. Let's see if I can get this open. I think these are erotic clamps. And they're just insulated clamps, and they have a, that's really strong. Oh, that came right off. And it has a little bit of a slip ring right here to tighten it down. So that might be good for clamping onto something without damaging it. Just grabbing it and just tightening that. Looks like that's as tight as it'll get. But they're just very simple. Got 2 of them. They might come in handy for clamping something that's hard to clamp. Tools and accessories. More clamps. Disposable piercing clamps. With like a unique jaw made for certain things, so that might be interesting to modify so that you can clamp the bottom and leave the top open so that you can solder stuff or whatever. No idea. Thought it was interesting. I thought I'd check it out. Oral tool. Looks like I'm gonna have a lot of assorted weird tools in this mailbag. this is some kind of solid piece of stainless steel with a fairly, oh no, I'm not fairly sharp, that's razor sharp. I think it's for scraping something. It's got an imperfect edge on it, maybe that's why it was so cheap. Yeah, it's pretty sharp. Very sharp. I could hone that edge a little bit and it'll be probably back to medical quality or whatever this is for. But I just like the shape of it. For scraping or something, or maybe just for slicing. I don't really know what this is for. I'm assuming it's a dental tool. All these kind of weird tools are. Oh, and it has a little cap here because it is sharp. Everybody knows what that is, let me know. But I like cheap precision tools that are not used for their original intent. Modules. 2 modules, apparently. Double the module fun. Okay. Looks like this is a strip of some kind of buzzer module and a strip of WS2812s. Maybe a meter? I'm assuming it's 5 volts. So just a small strip of lights because I don't have a small strip of, I have a large silicone strip of neopixels. I don't have a small one to play around with or to mount somewhere for colors and stuff like that. So I'll probably put this around my desk or something for some nice ambient colors, or use it for lighting or something like that. And this is a little, I'm assuming I bought them from the same seller, so they just set them together. This is a little buzzer. I think this is a passive buzzer. It's got a transistor. And I've been playing around with buzzers, trying to make some sound devices that can do light and sound. I'm not looking for full audio, but some decent sound. That's also why I got this audio amplifier to drive speakers. And I got buzzers, and I've been playing with buzzers just to see what kind of tones are out there and what kind of PWM alerts we can do from a cheap piezo. And amplifier board. Apparently I got another amplifier board. 2 different kinds. This is another amplifier board. It looks like maybe it is stereo. Yes, stereo amplifier board. And I can't see what the chip is. I'll have to clean this schmutz off of it. It's got a lot of crap on it. But the description will be down below for those 2 audio modules. And the rest of this random assortment of stuff. So that's it for now. Till next time.